Hello and welcome to another episode of Moose's Gear Goo Review. I'm Moose, and today we have another Cryptid Crate unboxing. This is for January 2020, so it's the very first Cryptid Crate of the year. I got it, by the time this video is coming out, it's a couple weeks since I got it, or just about 2 weeks, but nevertheless, this is my first impressions and response and ideas and thoughts on what this Cryptid Crate is. Now, I did order 3 of them, and I'll talk a little bit more about that at the end of the video. So let's see what's inside. Alright, so I guess there's a little technical difficulty. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But just so you know, I did open the box with the Domen, mini Kaiser Domen. Super cool little knife. I just cracked it open. But like I said, in the part that I didn't record, I'll leave links in the description below for this knife, as well as links for the Cryptid Crate. Now, I barely popped it open before I realized I wasn't recording, so I didn't really get to see in. But like I said, it's similar size to the December box. And I'm hoping they start off with a bang for 2020 Cryptid Crate. Let's see what you got. And voila. Okay, I'll start with this right here. What's this? Cryptids of the U.S., I'm guessing. So we have a shirt, and yeah, it says Cryptids of the U.S., and it's sets of eyes, as well as like height markings. So they got Flatwoods Monster, Sasquatch, Mothman, Skunk Ape. And so, cool. That is cool. So Flatwoods Monster is way the hell up here. Sorry for my language. Those weird blue, red monster eyes. And I guess there's kind of a theme here with these. They all have some red to them, except for these weird Loveland frog ones. Chupacabra, red eyes, red eyes, red eyes. So, super cool. Yeah, that's a good start. Cool cryptid shirt. What else we got? We have... there's a figure in here. Looks like, once again, using the Domen. Oh, yeah, it looks like I could just rip that open. Never mind. Knife guys always try to use their knives. We have a Wolfman figure. That is gnarly. Look at them abs. Or maybe it's more specific to like a dog man. Okay. Well, it's... Oh, wait. They call this a Yeti. So, this is labeled as a Yeti. Personally, it looks more like... I'd maybe say more Wendigo for my cryptid people out there. Or even more Wolfman-like. Because Yetis classically are more ape-like, and typically they don't. They're described as having reddish-brown hair, but that's alright. This is still a cool figure. Still pretty awesome. Love the pose. Just looks super cool, so that'll be cool to be put in the background there. What else we got? So we have some postcards of Lake Champlain Monster. Let's see what we got. So, if you don't know, I believe out east or upstate New York, someplace there's Lake Champlain, and there's a sea serpent type creature there. And these are very nice postcards. Lake Champlain, Lake Monster. Super cool. Oh, it's in Vermont. So I guess it's in Vermont, but there you go. Cool little postcards. Those be fun to send out or just frame. And, there is a DVD in here. Okay. Documented Cases, Pure Evil. So, this is great. If you haven't heard of the HATMAN, the HATMAN kind of fits into the realm of shadow people. And shadow people kind of cross genres with sleep paralysis and other fun things as far as like seeing things move in the corner of your eyes. Now, some people think that shadow people are demons. Other people think that there's a direct correlation between the HATMAN sightings and the shadow people sightings. Some say the HATMAN is just this dark figure, and it's just the silhouette of a man with wearing a large brimmed hat. And sometimes they even say he has red eyes. But that being said, it's kind of unknown because other people see shadow people during the day, and HATMAN seems to only come at night. And oftentimes, people wake up in sleep paralysis saying that they see this dark figure with a hat, and then they can't move. So I don't know. It's pretty creepy. Looks super creepy and interesting, and I can't wait. This is the stuff I really appreciate about this box. So super excited for this, and that's already like a home run. So, yeah, let's see what's the HATMAN. Cases of pure evil. All right, I hope I don't get scared. What else we got in here? We got, what is this? Mothman. I think there's like a sticker decal. I don't even know. It's cute though. And then we have our things with the different prices. Decorate your favorite planner, scrapbook, whatever with these adorable Mothman stickers. So it's a Mothman sticker. We have the figure, the postcards, the DVD, and the shirt. And there you have it for January 2020. Honestly, I think this is a good start. I'm digging this stuff. This figure, regardless of what you want to call it, it's just super cool. Really nice detail and just really cool pose. Sticker, cute. I'll put it somewhere. Postcards, actually pretty neat. Kind of something that I'd probably, I don't know, maybe I need to put on my travel bucket list, but very nice and be fun to send to people, or like I said, frame them. But my two favorite things for sure are this HATMAN DVD. Looks super cool, and then the shirt just looks awesome. So, yeah, those are my final thoughts. I give this one 2 thumbs up. So well done, Cryptid Crate. And as always, guys, let me know what you think of the stuff I got. I believe this crate is going for like $40 for a monthly thing. So, yeah, comes to you. And there are price breaks as well if you order more. But check out the links below. And, yeah, like I said, let me know what you think. If you have any questions, post them. And like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you outside. Thank you, guys. Peace.